Come on, beautiful viewers. Now let's try to consider this question that we have on the board. And what we are asked to calculate the total resistance of what of the diagram below. Now in this case, now this can look somehow challenging, but it's not something that is actually very hard. Okay. Now what you have to note is what know that you are going to know how to identify your series and your parallel connection, right? Now what you have here is actually what now is combined with both series and parallel. Now this is actually series here, right? Then now the same connection that is here now is now connected to what? To parallel. This one is actually series. We also have series connected, right? But now it's now connected to what? To parallel what? Parallel arrangement here, which is these two. Now what you have to do is what? It's very, very easy. Now break it down like this. You're going to convert this series and this series to what? To parallel. Okay? So you can have what? So you can have the parallel first. So let's try to do that now. Now, in the sense that I'm going to add this, you add this, and you add this together. It means that something as what? As series. And formula for series is what? Is your series is R1 plus R2 and plus what? R3. That's formula for series. So it means that I'm going to add the resistance together. That is series equals to, I'm going to add this series plus this parallel to give us what? To convert everything to what? To parallel. Okay? Because once you convert from series to parallel, it means that you need to include what? You need to include one parallel to it. You're going to add this one and add this together. So let's do that now. So we have 2 plus 2 plus 2. That will give us what? 6 ohms. Now, once you do that now, it means that you've converted to what? You've converted all what is here now to what? To parallel. So it means, which simply means that you're going to draw another diagram for what? For it, okay? Now let's do that now. So I'm going to have another diagram here. Let's say we have this diagram here now. Look at it. I hope you are seeing it right. So I'm going to have this one here as what? As 3 ohms. Okay. That'll be what? 3 ohms, right? 3 ohms. Let's do that. So we have 3 ohms here. 3 ohms. Then followed by what now? Then we've already converted these two now. All this 1, 2, 3 to what? To parallel. So we are going to put it in this place. I'm going to connect it to what we have here. We're going to connect it to what we have in this place. So I'm going to be what now? I'm going to have it as 6 what? 6 ohms, because we've converted to what? To parallel. Convert everything to what? To parallel. Let's do that now. So I'm going to have, so I'm having okay, this is 1 ohms here. So I'm going to be 1 ohms that we have here now. 1 ohms. So I still is what? Is 1 ohm as well. This is what is 1 ohms. We have 1 ohms in this place. So that's what to the 6 ohms here we have here. So we have the 6 ohm here, right? So it means that we converted this one, and this one to what? To parallel by adding them together, you know. So now, which is half 6. So it means that we converted from what? Series to what? To parallel. So I have to add it together now and convert it to what? To parallel now, so that it can connect to what? To this parallel that is here. Okay, so now what I just did now. Then after that now is that we have to convert this parallel back to what? To series. Okay, so we can actually solve everything what? Together. So let's convert this parallel to series now. And formula of parallel is, parallel is for series. Now this one is for series. But for parallel is going to be, we can actually apply formula for parallel as parallel equals to, kind of like R1, R2 over R1 plus what? Plus R2. That's formula for what? For parallel, okay? Or it can also be something like 1 over R2 total equals to 1 over R1 plus 1 over what? R2. So depending on what? On the one you would like to what to use. So let's just apply very short. We have resistance. Now what's the first resistance that we have? We have 3 here. That is 3 times. The second one is what? Is 6. Then we have all over. They are going to add this together now. That will be what? 3 plus 6, right? Which will give us what now? Someone give us what? 18 over what? So give us 9. And when you divide it now we're going to have what? We have resistance equals to what? We are going to have 2 what? 2 ohms as what? As for the what? For the parallel, right? So now, since we've converted this one out to what? To parallel now, then you can see what? We draw the diagram again so that it look like what? Like series back. So I'm going to have it as, we have the first one, which is 1 ohms here. We have 1 ohms. Then followed by what? Another extra 1 ohms again. 1 ohms again. Then connected to what? To the one that we saw, which is 2 ohms. The other one we saw, which is 2 ohms here. So we have 2 ohms in this place. Don't mind my drawing. So we have 2 ohms here, 2 ohms. Okay. Now you can see that from this aspect, now we need to break it down to what? To parallel. And parallel back to what? To series. Now this one contains what? Both parallel and what? And series, right? Then we solve for this part now. We add this one together. Then it converts to what? To parallel. And after the parallel, then convert it back to what? To series. Can see that now. So now in this case now, we all know what to do, right? Which means that this one is what? Is now what? Series what? Arrangement now. So it means that we're going to add it together now. We're going to add it here together. Okay? So we're going to have the added total equals to, right? Total resistance equals to, we're going to have 1 plus 1, then plus 2. So I'm going to have the total resistance as what? As 4 what? 4 ohms. Now, I hope you find this very interesting, right? So don't forget to like the video, share, comment, and see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Thank you.